na unse Nzutu me kan sade wa ha se me obi a ekwa me fa so ho pre-season no anyhow our coaches prepare our teams during pre-season no na me concentration bebre ni o share 2 or share 3 or share 4 pre-season ni ma idea how our team no betimi dey rua season ni eduka ya ayi Pep Guardiola mo na call say Japan no say Korea o say ko bom pre-season na Bayern Munich mu nyina show mo penalties no match mo Everton one no more show mo na one most of the coaches I have no more interest in year 2-1 year 3-1 but how they will approach the season and the most important and na me hwe Kotoko team no Nzutu na there are certain individuals may you almost in China ma ball ma so you could clearly see their quality on the pitch. Henry Ansu from Brekum Chelsea even before the injury no how o command dey chire and I think say the partnership with Nuruddin say no Nuruddin ebe mu in the second half be partner Mo Sharif na Nzutu ade a wode ba na aggression na nso the control un say one Ansu no some leadership qualities bia ebe bo Kotoko center back from what I me hu na nura ne dey I think from center back position Kotoko is sorted out
center back
yes center back do is sorted out let us say goalkeeping no I don't think Kotoko will goalkeeping problem Asare Danlad Poitier they are sorted out central defense no to Nuruddin Mo Sharif Ansu I think Kotoko is okay and they can say see a team be a center backs with these players they can compete with any team in the Ghanaian Premier League and they can even be among the top 2 or top 3 when it comes to center back. Method and I mean a lot of changes in the method. Enti ohwe how a ogum team tabobo na omo transition from here body ball from a then the transition to attack between the method and attack no and na quite slow because there was a lot of changes in the method and the attack no so on the match no there were certain players me feel said they will need time they made it here say Nzutu sa na be ya because me te say one way I leg need to start Friday
so
yeah I'm hearing it unless say be because I'm hearing say possible say there will be an injunction on the league say Kobasa team ebe bo na ya Asante Kotoko go from another game na me share no they me hu yen say there are certain players within the team and how ogum person the team no bono they will need time kakra sometimes ya na Nzutu ya na me prefer say the player will be jina what the player offers much more important than the whole tia bontia be kan dey fa player na ho enu baby na mete na mete so amanfo ka Kalu Watara o ka say that me cheche Kalu Watara mu wa say the Kalu Watara amahwe no Brekum Chelsea offensive war in say abo team na bo 2 top but obo 1 topper ontimi function ye ene Kotoko attack no se Kotoko hihye omani mu a central position omo forward line no the oye number 1 ye Mukwala se wo hwe last season ni bia Mukwala be runs obetum kasa enu time a Nzutu chance abeto no mo so bonse wa break because goal scoring Nzutu adwene enya wonan na de bobo no how the mind will decide it is a wadwene na break na wuduru ho na wadwene na ntimi en decide ya emfa woni ba bia ball ne da onan be bobo na to akone it last season at so wo hwe Mukwala ya games Kotoko bo with 2 top no function ye pa ema na adwuma ne so eba fom it we a coach na wo betu Mukwala what do? You look around the league na e ball the last season no teams no mo bo 2 top no players be no mo function in that system ebi ni Kalu Watara se Kotoko bobo na Kalu Watara ene ye mo lead man no kwa ne the center forward ogina ye betia bo season na wiem so to wan hwekro nche 4 goals but obo na second striker the number of assists you obeye the whole that play on say the biameka say statistics is spoiling football it's the other players how they function on the pitch as statistics and capture no we don't see how important are those players here it's enomete sena fans ni be raise concerns and makano wa say Kalu ebema Mukwala function well than they be at the omo pedi free Kalu ho and there was this guy in team menu
interestingly so a lot of coaches would not put 2 strikers
so coach bia on the system Last time I remember example say, you were center for once you players they play like number 10, but you can classify them as an additional striker. It's what here me no dim come. Let me use your own Arsenal. At a point, Arsenal bought Dennis Beckham and Thierry Henry. Beckham is a number 10.
So
but at the same time, Beckham to me function as a second striker.
That's what I don't see in Kalu and Mukwala.
So Oshe Kalona, Mizutu. It depends on the system Kotoko be map or pitch. So it's not like this is the first time BSU. Kotoko abo with Kwabnayaro and Bequin.
Bounce a Bequin. Any more no Bokakra.
Bequin is like Mukwala.
Oh, Samum.
Yes.
Okay.
It's Kwabnayaro beye Jumani nyina. Bequin will save energy.
Do you want to be a movie?
Kalona beye Jumano. Mukwala. Yes. Someone with the mention it is a obo no as your lead manner. You won't get the best in him. It means I will be surprised the season is start here. From the color that I watch at Bekum Chelsea, Dr. Prosperna Tebeko used as Kotoko loan man anymore, which Kotoko best struggle. There were other players that you could see promising, but said them a kind they need time. Obi to say in team menu, that's so more boy who say the potential is there. But a stage frightened this and your money to meet cheap players. At this stage, what I've realized in Semzutu, the league started on Friday. Coach Dr. Prosper Nateogum will need some of the senior players to help these young boys. Because Enrano now who sa cohesion because new players about and there were a lot of new players on the pitch. It is a old players now. Mzutu say new players ni bema omumre no one who said the team ni besiabo. It will be to say Zeze who was injured yesterday. I think say they could be say Lamte, obi say Justice Blay. He will need these players to help these young boys. Said the Beya Kotoko beat me. But Nsoatreman will team.
When you allow Masot,
no, they are right back. Boy no ball right back. No, Mizutu. We
no way.
Oh,
new income.
We born it dear. Mizutu. Say no born the league mukroche income.
Oh,
Asampana makache. Mizutu right back na no mhwe baba yara no. Me hwe abusua do afsma. Minim team ofri ko me hwe abusua do afsma match be omni Arab contractors. Mze be 96-97 season. Na ye ko menim papa e Cote d'Ivoire. Nti ka ne se wo Cape Coast me da Cape Coast de nti e ko Cape Coast Park, Sidu Park, e ko hwe Arab contractors ne do afs. And that was the first day me hu Emmanuel Sekufo, the general. No ball right back. Yeah. And I'm say, now we dey say the Frankaman kwam right back ni bi o. Me so to ojibo no nam line ne ho a. And now the right back I watch at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Amankwam rekum ne ayimu right back Frankaman kwam right back no mbo ni bi o. Difficult to beat and Ukrabo na he play like a midfielder. We there ayi senko ye England ya ka England for beka so manya no do nim defender. Ka wo kamu de ni bi pa. So de yi to ho. Biloto the relaunching of
one penny
or the BBB Cote.
Okay.
My foot say my so na do so about a good team. This season league na be de a be de pa. The relaunching of fabu cencus and amedidi hu nkomo kakra. Nse makase IMC no guso mu hyehyia parties omo ye involve wo fabu cencus no. Access Bank, Star Life mo emna so mo share the executive of National Circus Council. From the metiti ni say this is how the relaunching will go. It will be like a deba or menshia.
Okay.
Ohine betinem. Yes. The first contributor that day will be Ohine. No agene card.
Okay.
Ohine be share ayenfofo mo share na se. So Obia should also register onto the fabu census.
Okay.
Ayenfofo ni wi a ensi hwa they will go back to their communities. Is there someone that carry the message to their communities to make sure say omo community also amount for be register onto the fabu census. Etinei baby akeka kono mzoto. It will be like the operations of fabu census. The direction will come from Menshia.
Okay.
Because they say no fabu census Kotoko japade. Nti se ne ohene ye ni tima Enyoma ni bi betimi aboa ma Asante Kotoko tumpon no. So to one of them fabu cencus.
Okay.
Ebrebe ma ni ahwe ayidie no communication no.
Me go into na ma. Me jump ose.
Ba say wo no wanya opportunity ahia wo hene. Ba wantimi amusa wo hene.
Oh, maybe 204.
And then the Miss wa musa no.
Me busa am kutwi na mkan na ma.
124.
Me tire imagine.
O tire wadwuno.
Na ko a.
O tire wadwuno. It looks like there is a little problem. And me tiase because of nipa na omo ye adwuma wa IMC ni CCA no. Problem we ho say football is a different field and football administration is a different field from so what coach my accountant my way
I don't go.
Say what the mention say eti the IMC air struggle with certain areas which they will need time to get over it. Normally be an ametete how they want to build the communication director now when Adam Bekachewa I'm about for
the boy no your friend no Richmond Bew. Was it is from Tamale City, he's a very good player and he called Kote.
Okay.
But the part of Richmond Bew can't do.
Kai Charlie, Aquani player. Do this season unya scab unya
minimum say any deals or not you can't do this.
Unya scabia now top
it's not Tamale City.
Unya scabia now top to go kema ko Nsoatreman.
Okay.
Oba Cambo and wasem. It's one area me fu say the IMC is struggling how to structure it.
Yeah.
Say omodi di nkomo at a point yemfa radio ni the problem eba unim na akofa radio ni a no matwe ko akiri kakra and they say the one yenkofa no because loto say Kotoko no ukoso ha abuei ufa ha abuei and looking at the people omo say no loto it will be very very difficult for any of them to occupy the communication director position. Say what the mention say league isu aye be chance Kotoko be hia obi a obekasa e de ama club no
mensia nyi bia
wanu be yi no
o say maybe wadam for no time they no kasa my chief of staff no kwame nya so mo ho am nya mbiti mama bi
do football no mengogro ho sa o
enu mo mbe
by this season the operational work no omoja de ama supporters no
from anye.
Yes, they should handle the operational work.
Okay.
Now, BB or Hona, how they can contact the IMC.
Okay.
No mabwa. Inti, and come over break or so and run.
Okay.
Yeah, be did.
Bram Kaka. Bram na.
Member not Bram Kaka. I mean, Casa, Casa. Well, we are away. Men skills from me.
Stefan, a free year mensa. Captain Fachemi.
Who would I chose? I mean,
Esther